hurricane is supposed to be coming in sometime today. Got my hair all done for it. Ooh. So anyway, what I'm doing today is I ground up a bunch of coffee beans because if we don't have power, I'm gonna have to have some coffee. So I can use my grill to heat up coffee, do the percolating coffee on the grill. And I'm roasting a bunch of vegetables, carrots and cauliflower and broccoli. I'm also gonna cook up a bunch of taco meat. What else? I have some chicken that I might do the pounded chicken with the almond flour and coconut flour. I've got to, I'm gonna make up a big salad. I'm gonna have to make these. It's gonna be torture, but I'm gonna have to do it. And I think that's all that I need to do. Yeah. So I'm also gonna wash up my clothes, any clothes that I need washing, towels. I've got to get all the flower pots and stuff off the back porch. I'm just going to put it down on the ground up against the porch. I'm not hauling it in the garage or anything. If they blow away, oh my. So, yeah, so let me get to crack-a-lacking on this cooking. Okay, I just finished roasting all the vegetables, cooked up all the taco meat, and I made the chocolate cookies. Here are some of them. I've got a container over here. But I did one sheet pan full, and this is the other one. And there's the taco meat. And the chocolate cookies.